Well, hello and welcome back to a brand new Parkside DIY. My name is Philip and today we're building a stylish balcony bar. As always, you'll find all the materials and tools you need listed in the description below. For this project, we're using a 3-layer board and a squared timber. We'll start by cutting these components to the correct size. Now I'm taking the back panel and carefully marking the precise positions for the cutouts, where the tabletop will later be securely inserted into place. To ensure a clean and polished edge for the cutout, I'm carefully drilling through the board at the outermost position with a 20mm Forstner bit. Next, I grab the plunge saw and proceed to cut the long sections. Now I've got the router all set up and ready to go. To smooth out the edge perfectly, I insert a rounding bit and carefully run it over each sawn edge once more. To make sure the table fits into the cutouts, we'll trim a bit off the left and right sides, using the plunge saw again for that. Now we'll move on to the squared timber. We need to cut a groove into it and we'll use the plunge saw once more for that task. And this groove needs to match the size of your balcony railing. In my case, that's 30 by 40. It's best to measure your balcony railing again precisely. Okay, the groove is cut. We still need the plunge saw for 2 additional cuts, specifically on our backboard piece here. We'll make a 30-degree angle cut on both of the long edges because it simply looks much better that way. Before we screw all the parts together, we'll need to stain them beforehand. I purchased a white wood stain specifically for the outdoor area for this. We'll begin with the top shelf. We'll attach it to the beam by screwing it in from underneath, ensuring there are no visible screws from the top. First, we position the beam, ensuring it's equally spaced from both the left and right sides, pre-drill the necessary holes, and then securely fasten it in place. Now I can screw on the back panel. This time it's attached from the front directly to the beam, and I need to make sure that the larger gap is carefully positioned upwards, aligning it precisely with the first slot. With that, our bar is now fully assembled for now. All that's left is just a hook and an eye, which will screw into each of the ends to complete it. The chain will run through it, and it's what holds our table in place. Now it's about determining the correct length of the chain. For that, I take the table and slide it into the lowest cutout, meaning the position where the chain will be at its longest. Now I've finally figured out exactly where to cut the chain to ensure it's the perfect length. Come on, let's take the beautiful piece out onto the balcony. Fits perfectly, and you can set it to the appropriate height. It's just missing some drinks. That was all I needed for the perfect summer. Do you also need a balcony bar like this? Then just give it a try and build it yourself. You got this.